Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon Echo Dot. First, unbox your device and plug it into a power source. Next, download the free Amazon Alexa app from your device's app store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Echo Dot to your home's wireless internet. Finally, sign in with your Amazon account to begin personalizing your experience and accessing all the features your Echo Dot offers. Once set up, interacting with your Echo Dot is simple. Just say Alexa to wake it up and the light ring will illuminate. You can then ask for the time, like Alexa, what time is it? Or get the weather by saying Alexa, what's the weather like today? To enjoy music, simply say Alexa, play some jazz music. Setting a timer is easy too. Try Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes. Your Echo Dot is a powerful hub for your smart home. In the Alexa app, navigate to the Devices section to discover and add compatible smart home products. Once connected, you can control them with your voice. For example, say Alexa, turn on the living room lights, or Alexa, set the thermostat to 72 degrees. You can also create custom routines to automate several actions with a single command, making your daily life much more convenient. Beyond the basics, your Echo Dot offers many advanced features. Explore the Skills and Games section in the Alexa app to enable new functionalities, from news briefings to interactive games. You can also make hands-free calls to friends and family who have an Alexa device or the Alexa app. Customize your experience by adjusting the volume, managing privacy settings, and even changing Alexa's voice in the app. For enhanced audio, connect your Echo Dot to a larger speaker using Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.